What you saying, huh? She's a winner to you, but I know she's a loser. How did you know? Me and the crew used to do her.
I'm a powerful with you in the dark. Boom, boom, boom! Lights out, everybody! This power? Oh no, they have a Goal Zero solar generator, a home backup system from Goal Zero. They've got their lights, Wi-Fi, TV, refrigerator, they're all powered with clean energy. I'm a failure.
The Goal Zero solar generator, starting at $2,800 at GoalZero.com.
Let's begin your reading. I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity. Even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this.
Start seeing savings to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5-year pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data. Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Your home is a one-of-a-kind piece of art, a palette of design elements reflecting your personal aesthetic and functional needs. For over 20 years, All Natural Stone's exclusive collection of tile, exotic and specialty natural stone, and masterfully engineered porcelain has been transforming homes into pieces of... Visit one of All Natural Stone's 4 Bay Area showrooms in Berkeley, Dublin, Burlingame, San Jose, or at allnaturalstone.com and find your inspiration. You can dine in art, entertain in art, bathe in art, lounge in art, relax in art. You can live in art.
Want my beeper number? This is the 90s on Odyssey.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramas running to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps. I think I'm crazy. Am I just paranoid? I went to a trip to where I want my dreams. She said it's like a sex I see me down. I went to a hood
Okay.